Rajiv Kumar in a sleeper class coach. Kumar has filed an FIR at Mokama saying that his wife was with him on Tuesday night but was nowhere to be seen the next morning.
The police are still looking at various possible explanations. They say that Rani was disturbed because of her continuous failures in exams that she was taking. So far, the family has not received any ransom call. Now, Archana Singh's brother told CNN IBN that he doesn't believe that his brother-in-law is behind the girl's disappearance. In fact, the girl's husband has been detained by the police on suspicion because he's the only person there with her.
अभी तक कोई जानकारी नहीं, कोई अपडेट नहीं, वो सिर्फ मिसिंग है, इसी का हम लोगों को पता है। हम लोग खोज रहे हैं, पुलिस प्रशासन से मदद ले रहे हैं, मीडिया से मदद ले रहे हैं, पर अभी तक 30 घंटा से ऊपर हो गया, कोई क्लू, कोई सुराग नहीं मिला हमें अभी तक।
बट आपको क्या लगता है, आपकी आशंका क्या है?
कोई आशंका नहीं कर सकते हैं हम, किसी के ऊपर कोई शक नहीं है। एक गुंजाइश बनता है किडनैपिंग का, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम लोग।
आपके ब्रदर इन लॉ को भी पुलिस ने हिरासत में लिया हुआ है, क्या लगता है कि वो भी दोषी हैं?
पुलिस अपने तरीके से जांचबीन कर रहा है, बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो दोषी हैं।
Let's talk to Prabhakar Kumar now, in fact, who's in Patna with the latest. Prabhakar, it's been 30 hours. The police are still looking at various possible angles here.
Yeah, the police is actually probing into all possible angles into this case of missing. They have registered a case of missing. They have not registered a case of kidnapping so far. The girl was traveling with her husband, so the husband becomes the prime suspect in this in this missing case. And police therefore has detained the husband. He's right now in the Mokama police station. He's being interrogated, and police, because there's a possible theory that something unfortunate has been done to the girl, and this case lodged may be fabricated one. So police is exploring that aspect as well. And there's one possible theory which police says they will certainly be looking into, that is that the girl might have voluntarily gone with somebody, might have eloped, they said, but they're actually kind of trying to probe all aspects of this missing case. They have not zeroed down in anything so far.
Right, and Prabhakar, just a quick word, because we've seen so many spate of kidnapping, so one naturally jumps to the conclusion that there could be this could be another part of that, those spate of kidnappings. It doesn't seem so far.
See, the prima facie, as for the police goes, the prima facie, this doesn't look to be a case of kidnapping, because in the crime history of Bihar, I would say, there never has been a woman being kidnapped for ransom. This has never happened so far. So it is very, very unlikely that she might get kidnapped for ransom. This has not happened so far, and if this happens, if this particular case happens to be a kidnapping for ransom, this would probably be the first of its kind in Bihar.
Right, so they haven't got a ransom call yet, though. That's what we know so far. Thanks for tracking that case for us, Prabhakar Kumar, there in Patna. Tragically, she was on a honeymoon when this whole thing happened.
That's right, returning from a honeymoon. Let's see what the final theory emerges on that. Meanwhile, let's focus on another case in Gurgaon, where angry parents have vandalized a school there this morning over the death of a 5-year-old student on Wednesday.